this island. Boy. Yeah. Wow, go on. What's up, my beautiful people? Welcome back to Island Boy Africa channel. Yes, today, guys. So, y'all seen, well, if you guys have noticed, I haven't been uploading for a while now. And I mean, it's been over a month since I uploaded any video on this channel. Yeah, just been busy with work, and after a recent trip to Fiji. You know what I mean? I haven't been fishing since. Yeah, so just been at home pretty much, and yeah, from work to home, and that's it really. I haven't done much going around since. Yeah man, but just letting you guys know that there'll be new content dropping soon. Yeah man, and I also have some exclusive videos to drop from Fiji that you guys won't be seeing on the family channel. If you guys don't know, I have a family channel, the Island Family. So I done fishing videos and things like that, and yeah, some exclusive, you know what I mean, so stick around for that. Yep. So yeah man, now we have little Bobo here.
I will pee, Dada.
You wanna pee?
Yes.
Okay, I'll cut the camera for now and you pee. Hey guys, so baby's at work. Yes, I went to work today, and so it's good rotating. You know, I go to work during the day and she goes to work in the evening, so everything balanced. So at the moment in Australia, it's really getting cold. In the day it's still warm, but the early morning them cold. And now the time has changed. It's daylight savings, they call it. Yeah, so there's a change in the climate, and it's not even winter yet, so you can imagine. But yeah, so the banana tree them I plant come up lovely. And recently bought a soursop tree. We went to it's the market called the Shannon Market. Yeah man, so even though I'll normally even take off the tag off it too, I'm excited. Yeah man, so what's up? I tell you. So yeah man. Hey boy, don't shoot it at me. No. What me say? Yeah man. Little boy, yeah. Island, left me alone, boy. Trouble, you know. But yeah guys, that's what's up, you know what I mean? So stick around for the contents that's coming soon, and just give this video a thumbs up and let me know what kind of video you guys wanna see from me. Yeah man, yeah. Yeah man, so bless up, peace out.